flashback to the past, and some classic Dave Rabbit.
It's time for the Swap Shop of the Air. And tonight's Swap Shop, first off from Tan Son Nhut Air Base, Saigon. Wanted, good, clean-living man with unusual ideas of how to spend his tour. If interested, contact Tech Sergeant Ivan Pansy at extension 3333. From the Trang Air Base, wanted, a 7-inch dildo in good condition, price no object. Call Maggot Lounge and ask for Sarah. From the Trang Air Base, for sale, unusual films of foreign nature. All titles, good price. Meet contact at post office at 12:30 a.m. for more information. Finally, from Phan Rang Air Base, for sale, 50 pounds of salt, Peter, never been opened. If interested, call Batson Hall for more information. And that's it for the Swap Shop of the Air for tonight. The Swap Shop is another service to the personnel in the Republic of Vietnam, courtesy of Radio First Termer. If you have something you'd like to buy, sell, or trade, call us at extension 6969, mail it to us in country in care of Saigon Radio Underground, or drop it by to us at the station.
Radio First Termer, Iraq.